Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and talk about the one who got away. There are some people who are in relationships with someone who may have been in a relationship 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago, and they messed up in that relationship and the person left them and they never really got over it. And although they may be in a relationship with someone new, they could be married, they could have children, but they're still stuck on the one who got away. Some of them are angry, and some of people have spouses and they don't understand why their spouse is always angry. They feel like they didn't do anything. They're, trying to appease this spouse and make this spouse feel better, but this spouse is not going to feel better because they're still stuck in the past and they need to heal. Some may be indifferent, but indifferent in a way that they still kind of do care. Like they're trying to pretend that they're indifferent, but they actually do still care. And then some are just downright sad and depressed about it. And again, it just shows up in the relationship because even if they're not sexually active with this person, they're emotionally attached. They're still emotionally attached to this past person that they wish they hadn't messed up with and wish that they could be with. Um, Maybe this person gave them the best sex they ever had or treated them the best that they've ever been treated. And again, they feel like they messed up and made the wrong choice. Even if so maybe they didn't mess up in the relationship per se, or maybe they left that person thinking that the grass was greener on the other side, and realized that they made the wrong choice and that they should have chose the other person. And in the world of social media, this person may be watching that person. They may even still be in communication with this person. But if they're not in communication, they may be following them on Facebook or Instagram or whatever other social media pages this person may have. Um, and if they're still in communication with this person, they basically still have that emotional love affair going on. Although they may not be with that person physically, again, there's still an emotional attachment there. But even if this person is absent and not speaking to them at all, maybe this person has them blocked, they're still emotionally attached. And it's either showing up as depression or anger, or they're pretending to be indifferent when the reality is that they still care and they still wish that they were with this person. And you'll probably never have a true, successful, and joyous relationship with this person because their energy is not all the way in the relationship with you. They may even still be in love with this other person. They may love you. Again, you could be married and everything, but they're still emotionally attached to someone else. So it's almost like they're having a love affair, you know, with the person in front of them and someone in their imaginations that they wish they could still be with, but it's just a fantasy for them because that person has moved on. And this could be male or female. So I just wanted to kind of briefly talk about the one that got away because I know that some people are in relationships and they don't realize why their spouse is always angry or why their spouse is always sad or doesn't want to talk to them or doesn't want to be with them, doesn't want to go out with them. And this could be one of the reasons why. And, especially for those situations where maybe the person cheated, and the woman who's now married may feel like, oh, yeah, I won. But did you win his heart or did you just win him physically? And if you're okay with the fact that you just won him physically, that's great. But someone else has his heart. So I know that people may get mad at me for this one. Because, um, I know people don't like when you point out things that, that maybe that weren't so righteous that they did. And this is not to offend anybody, but this is to shed light on some people who really don't know, again, why their spouse is always angry or always depressed or just doesn't want to go out with them or do anything with them. Now, some people are introverts and love to stay at home and don't want to do anything. I'm not talking about those people. But at the same time, this could be the reason why this person wants to stay in the house and not do anything. It's just something to think about. The one who got away. You could be the one who got away, or someone that you know could be the one who got away. You could feel like you let someone get away. You could be still emotionally attached to someone that you feel got away. So, that's all I wanted to say. Love y'all. Hope this was helpful. Later. Mwah.